I was very excited to be able to work in defense.
It has been an amazing experience so far. It's a lot of fun.
It's like a bunch of siblings.
Just be ready to learn something new and do it fast. Also really rewarding, and you definitely learn a lot.
It's a good way to spend my summer, I feel. My name is Atarva Sharma, and I'm a hardware intern.
My name is Farah Saran, and I work at the IT help desk.
I'm Ryan Kruger. I'm a hardware intern here at SURVICE Engineering.
I'm Ben Truxell. I'm a hardware intern.
I'm Ryan Crowell. I guess the title would be IT help desk specialist.
It's actually pretty fun. We got into like this golf cart and then drove a trailer around and recorded vibrational data.
Really stressed myself out more, but as soon as I met the people, they were all really nice to me, and they didn't make me feel dumb, but I really appreciate.
They don't make you feel like you're clueless. They're like, yeah, we see that you're an intern and that there was a large group of people that I can ask.
It was a pretty fun first day, giving me a lot of time to realize that it's not going to be too difficult.
It was a very quick jump in. The first day I was designing the connection point between the dispenser and the TRV drone. It was milled and modeled the next day and then was put on the drone and it's being used right now. So yeah, I do know how to do it, but I wasn't expecting to actually put something on the drone on the first day, but it was really cool.
It's pretty immediate. Brought up to speed on that. Yeah.
I'm currently making a graphical user interface for a battery charge limiter for the charges for the T150. So you can set a charge on the battery and it'll only charge up to that point.
With some of the CAD design on a new payload for the TRV-150.
The daily tasks are working with someone else for everything, so I don't really have too much that I'm managing on my own.
Enjoy it, actually. I like the people here. Everyone's really nice. It's welcoming, and it helps you shift into the environment better.
After I ask people, it's not too difficult and there's not much more trouble that I'm having with it.
A lot of systems that aren't that easy to understand without asking someone, because everyone knows it once they start working here. It's not something that you would learn in school beforehand. It'd be easy to get help around here. I mean, if I ever have any questions, I'll just ask anyone around me or ask Gus. He's a really good source of help as well. Ask for help a lot, yeah. There's a lot of stuff that is really hard to do on your own, and it's a lot easier when you ask for help.
Asking for help and not waiting or trying to figure things out, it makes a lot more sense just to ask.
Definitely do it. This is an amazing company and I like working here.
So having this internship is showing me little bits and pieces of everything.
I'd probably suggest they apply and that the people here would work with them and would be willing to help train and lead or teach them however they need, whether they have the experience they think they need or not.
It's been cool to do the design work, collaborate with different people, make sure everything's to spec, and then have the opportunity to build it just a few weeks later. All the hard work paid off.
Yeah, everyone I've met is super nice and everyone's familiar already. These holes are pretty small and you see everyone's face multiple times, so you get to know everyone quickly.
I would say if you're willing to put in the work, if you show that you're committed and that you want to learn, they will gladly help you.
I feel very grateful to be here.